It's Christy. I want to share something with you. What do you think about this? I have this tiny little castle, and it's a project that you can get on my website. Check the description, and it'll link over to all of my tutorials. But it's this little thing that I called Castley Rock, and I made this castle on this nifty little rock. So it was fun. I really enjoyed doing it. But after it was all done, I looked at it and I thought, I want to use that rock for something else. So I popped the little castle off, and I've had it in my things to do something with bucket ever since. And I thought, you know what? Wouldn't it be fun just to make a little world? So I have a bunch of these little dishes. Now, at the moment, I've got some of those for sale on my site, so you can check the descriptions again and grab one. If not, it's just a little kind of condiment dish. And this is a little bucket of black sand that I got on Wayanapa. Now, I live on Maui, and you are not supposed to take black sands from the island. So I am not going to take this from the island. I'm just going to enjoy it while I'm here. And I just love it because it's so black and these little pebbles are so beautiful. So I want a way of just kind of looking at this beautiful black sand. And I thought, well, what if I just stick my castle in it? And now I have like this little miniature world. And I've got some of these little fun crystal rock formations. And I could just shove a couple of those in. And let's see what that looks like. Isn't that fun? So it's just a little miniature world, and I can just sit it somewhere where I can look at it and enjoy it until I'm bored of it. Then I'll make something else. Sometimes it doesn't even have to be a little world in the sense of it's got a creature or a house or anything in it. It could just be like a little something. So I had these little bits of mossy things that I had gathered and dried when I was in the Pacific Northwest, and a little feather from my little birds in the backyard. And I thought, I've got these really pretty little things. Like, what if this was just a magical ball in here? And look at this beautiful one I have. What if that lived there too? And now it's just, what else do I have? What else do I want to put in here of just pretty things to look at? Like just a little bowl of magic. How about that? And that's another little tiny world. Something could live in it, but I could just set that aside. Like, I like to have, this is my working space when I'm creating. I like to have it surrounded with things like a little bowl of crystals that I can just look at. I have some lava rocks that I've borrowed from the ocean to enjoy until I give them back to the ocean. And then this little guy can just sit in the corner of my universe just to have something beautiful to look at.